Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2081 code? This code means the exhaust gas temperature sensor signal on bank 1 sensor 1 is intermittent or unstable. If ignored, it can lead to incorrect exhaust heat monitoring and emission control issues. P2081 stands for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit intermittent, bank 1 sensor 1. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving an unstable signal from the exhaust temperature sensor due to wiring faults, connector issues, or sensor failure. Common symptoms include check engine light on, fluctuating exhaust temperature readings, emission system warnings, and regeneration problems in diesel vehicles. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is mounted on the exhaust manifold or near the turbo outlet. It is positioned before the catalytic converter to monitor initial exhaust heat. The wiring harness runs along the engine bay and exhaust system and connects to the ECU. Nearby components include the turbocharger, exhaust manifold, and catalytic converter. For quick diagnosis, monitor live exhaust temperature data using an OBD2 scanner. Then inspect wiring for loose connections, heat damage, or broken insulation. Check the sensor connector for corrosion or poor contact. Also test sensor resistance and response if accessible. If the signal remains intermittent, replacement of the exhaust gas temperature sensor is recommended. Finally, repair wiring faults, replace the faulty sensor, clear the code, and perform a road test to confirm the repair. Fixing P2081 will restore stable exhaust temperature monitoring and emission efficiency.